Welcome to PowerViz. Today, let's dive into an incredible option in the KPI visual, the KPI templates. With over 100 pre-designed templates, KPI by PowerViz makes creating professional, visually stunning dashboards a breeze. Imagine designing a high-quality KPI dashboard in under a minute. Let's get started. I've added the KPI visual to my Power BI report. Let's start by adding in some of the key measures and categories into our data here. I'm going to bring in the category field, and then in the value section, I'm going to bring in quite a few fields like the total sales amount. I would like to also bring in the variance sale last month percentage, last year, and then last year percentage. Let's also bring in the month column that I have here. I have the month short. I'm going to bring in that as well. And then when you add all of the fields here, you will see that there are hundreds of pre-designed templates that are available here for you to choose from. If these templates don't meet your requirements, then there are more templates available on the website. All you have to do is click on this browse button here and then click on OK. This will navigate to the website where you will find more templates that are available here. Once you finalize on a particular template, let's say for example, I want to bring in this template into my Power BI report. All I have to do is copy JSON or download the file. You can download the JSON file and then import it, or you can simply copy the JSON code. I'm going to click on copy JSON here. Once the code is copied, let's head back to the Power BI report and let's scroll towards the top and then select create here. And then let's head over to the show layers section. I have an option here which says import export. Let's click on that and then let's select paste here and then paste the JSON code that you just copied and then click on next. And then you get this dialog box here where you have to choose the fields for the month short. I'm going to choose the month short field that I have. For the total sale, I'm going to select total sale. Variance sale last month percentage, I have that field as well. Variance sale last year percentage. Total sale last year, and then variance sale last month. Let me choose last month and then click on import. Once you do that, you have your pre-designed template available for you with just a few clicks. And then if you want to increase the size, you can simply drag and drop them. And if you would like to change any of the layers here, you can simply click on this particular layer here. Let's say, for example, you want to change this to sales amount. You can do that right from here. All of the layers here are customizable and you can customize this to match your needs and requirements. And that's a wrap. I hope you now see how powerful and time-saving the KPI templates are. With their ability to streamline your design process and maintain consistency across your reports, they are a must-have tool for anyone serious about data visualization. What are you waiting for? Head to the App Source or our website to download the KPI visual today.